Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're like me, you know that the true test of a workshop upgrade isn't how flashy it looks, but how much time and frustration it saves when you're in the middle of a build. Today, I'm taking a close look at a small but mighty tool that's been flying under the radar, the SKOOL T-Track Adjustable Fence Flip Stop. Priced at just $15, it might not grab your attention on the shelf, but don't let its simplicity fool you. I've been integrating it into my workflow to see whether it delivers real value in accuracy and convenience, especially when you're running multiple cuts and need them to match perfectly. This isn't a flashy power tool or a complex jig. It's the kind of subtle, precision-focused accessory that often makes the biggest difference in your results. So, if you're into clean, repeatable cuts and hate constantly second-guessing your measurements, stick around. Let me tell you, if you're spending time in the shop doing precision work, especially on table saws, router tables, or bandsaws, then a reliable fence stop system is a game changer. Let me tell you, if you're spending time in the shop doing precision work, especially on table saws, router tables, or bandsaws, then a reliable fence stop system is a game changer. I've been using the SKOOL 3-inch T-Track adjustable fence flip stop for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's become one of those set-it-and-forget-it tools that just makes life easier. The build quality immediately stands out. It feels solid, beefy even, the kind of tool that doesn't rattle or budge when you need consistency. It's designed to work with T-Tracks, and once you get it dialed in, it offers repeatable, accurate cuts. The indexing cursor is a small detail, but it makes a big difference when you're trying to nail exact measurements over and over. Whether I'm making multiple identical cuts for joinery or sizing down blanks for a project, this flip stop delivers that set-it-once repeatability that saves time and material. The smooth sliding action means you're not fighting friction when adjusting, and the fact that it flips out of the way is perfect when you need quick access without removing the whole thing. One of the things I appreciate most is how versatile this stop is across different setups. I've used it on both my table saw crosscut sled and my bandsaw's miter track, and it performs great in both roles. The 3-inch T-Track design gives you plenty of room to position it exactly where you need it, and the ability to move the stop block easily from side to side means you can adapt quickly depending on your cut direction. That flexibility is huge when switching between right-hand and left-hand operations. I especially like how it locks down tightly. Once it's set, there's zero movement, which is critical when you're trying to maintain accuracy. Compared to some flimsier stops I've used in the past that would creep or shift slightly after repeated use, this one stays rock solid. I did notice it took a few minutes to set up properly the first time, but once you follow the simple alignment steps, especially making sure your fence is wide enough to read the ruler markings clearly, it becomes intuitive. Now let's talk real-world use. I was working on a small cabinet project recently where I needed a dozen identical drawer fronts, and this stop made quick work of it. I set the cut length once, flipped it into place, locked it down, and ran piece after piece through with perfect consistency. No tweaking, no second-guessing, just clean, repeat cuts. That kind of precision gives you confidence in your setup and lets you focus on feed rate and finish rather than worrying about measurements drifting. The T-bolt design makes it easy to attach and reposition, though I will mention that it's built specifically for standard T-Tracks, not necessarily compatible with every brand. I heard from a buddy it doesn't fit the Track due to a slightly wider protrusion, something to watch for if you're married to that system. But for most common setups, it integrates seamlessly. On the pro side, it's durable, accurate, and priced right at $15. Hard to beat that for the functionality it delivers. It's not over-engineered, but it's far from cheap. I've seen some debate online about deflection, but in my experience, there's none worth mentioning under normal use. Unless you're applying extreme lateral force, it stays put. that said if your fence is on the narrower side, like 3/4 inch, you might find the ruler markings a bit hard to read, since the design really requires about 1.5 inches of fence width to view the graduations comfortably. It still works, but you lose one of the main conveniences. I mounted mine on a wider auxiliary fence, and it's made all the difference. Overall, the SKOOL T-Track adjustable fence flip stop is a smart addition to any shop where repeatability matters. It's not flashy, but it's effective, well-designed, simple to use, and built to last. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a more serious hobbyist, this little tool removes guesswork and reduces errors. I've already recommended it to a couple of friends building jigs or upgrading their crosscut systems. It's one of those unglamorous upgrades that quietly improves your workflow. If you're tired of measuring every single cut or dealing with sloppy stops that drift, this one's worth the investment. At $15, it's a no-brainer for the level of performance it offers. If you're after precision that locks in as tight as your workshop standards, the SKOOL Flip Stop is a no-brainer. Now it's your turn. Don't let loose setups ruin your rhythm. Lock in accuracy and lock in future reviews too. Hit like and subscribe for more tools that earn their place on the bench.